What is up, you guys? So I wanted to share some updates throughout my living room. So yeah, that's my kitchen back there, as you probably know. So yeah, I just wanted things to be a bit more playful in terms of the juxtaposition, and yeah, I just wanted a little less traditional looking stuff, I guess. So I still have those things, just the way that I have shifted them around so that the tension is just right for me. Okay, so obviously I still have my leopard sofa, which I absolutely love, but I did have this piece here. This piece was right here, which I was just like, it's a little too much brown. I need to end up putting something else there. So I moved my Dorothy Draper style dresser here, and it's now lilac, and I love that. The coffee table situation is not my absolute favorite, but it's just what I have for right now. Personally, I mean, I would love to do something a little bigger, like a big brass one, or if I wasn't using this chair, then a big lucite one, but this is what I have. So I'm just trying to show you how I changed the vibe of my space. Have my bar situation here, and then here I've decided to do like bar stuff along with like party wear, so that is why that's there. I think it looks good paired beside the bar. It's kind of like an extension of the party stuff. So yeah, I'm really loving the tension between everything here. So yeah, obviously that's my bedroom. And then I moved this stuff over here. I just wanted to share how I just quickly made some changes just throughout the day. I just kind of moved some things around, and now I feel more fresh about my space. It just feels more, I don't know, just like rejuvenated my mood about my space.